Guys, welcome to Bobsy Bounce. Today we're going to be filming M140i. I love these cars. The sound, the performance is actually amazing. So I'm going to give you a little POV drive. Going to take it around the dual carriageway, see how it performs. And apparently these make a lot more power from factory as standard. So apparently they make about 335 on paper, but on dyno runs they make around 370. So you'll get the first person feel of how fast this car actually is. So without further ado guys, let's get into it. This feels faster than 340, bro.
What's that? In 340s?
Yeah. No, 340 brake feels faster.
Oh no, there's 370.
Yeah, this is about 370,
Yeah.
See, we do it that way, it's long. We can leave it on.
With the plate.
Well, no, yeah, true, yeah.
Unless you want to just blank the plate, I think.
Yeah.
Ready, steady, to go.
Ready, steady, go. Well, the video looks like we're going about fucking 500 miles per hour.
Yeah?
The video looks like we're going about 500, yeah.
I still look rolling.
Yeah, I'm still rolling, yeah.
He's thinking of somewhere.
Warp speed, bro.
There's so much shit in the car. Never overtake around the bend, guys.
Yeah, never overtake her on a bend. See, we're doing things safely according to the speed limit. See, we're doing about 69 miles per hour there, and yeah, we're not going past 70. This is a national speed limit road, and people are doing 30 miles an hour. Yeah, this guy's doing 30.
I know.
Yeah.
And it's a 60 dollars.
This is the first time I've sat in an M140i. What was it?
So far. Smoked.
Can't see it. Is that in there?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Is that enough? Only milk bottle.
In it. So some 2-litre cars are faster. Fucking evils, bro. Fucking evils, bro.